nagpapilik mata pa ako. So yung pilik mata, tumatama dito sa salamin. Sobrang lakas. Wala naman ako nakita, hindi ko alam. Pero pumapalakpak at saka malakas yung mga tunugan. So today we are doing the very first Mista Cup. Ito po yung Robin Hood Padilla Cup na sinusupport natin yung mga nagbabalik balikbayan, balik loob, lahat ng bumabalik.
What we'll do muna is dry fire. So meaning wala pang bala po.
Wala mo ng bala, yes.
Yes, so stand here lang. And then I will just load up empty magazine. Or maybe you can do it also. So you can...
Alinak pala niya. Okay.
Okay, load your
so
magazine.
Loaded
all you have to do is look for the red dot.
Okay.
And align it to the target. Yeah. Try to find it again, maybe just like eyesight. You just have to move it a bit or higher, like right in front of you.
Okay, can I put it here?
No, dapat stretched out mami. You don't have to lean forward too much. Just stand, and then konti lang and bend your knees.
Okay.
Okay, align it, and then squeeze slowly. Not just... Wala pa sir. Dry firing.
Okay, ready?
Yes, anytime mami, ready. When you see the target and you're aligned, shoot anytime.
Okay.
Yes, but slowly lang mama. Okay, we'll do one more and then we'll try one live round.
Okay.
You'll find it.
Up, got it.
Okay, stretch out slowly. Slowly. And then squeeze slowly once you've acquired your target.
Okay, got it. Alam mo, dito ako kinakabahan pag paputok ka. Hold on, I lost confidence.
Don't think of it, just squeeze the trigger slowly. You're doing well, ma'am. Very good.
I'm ready.
Yes, anytime, ma'am. That's feel good. That's feel good. Two holes here and two holes there.
Yes.
And your grouping is, you ask any shooter or any soldier.
Okay.
That's very good.
Perfect.
Bravo.
Okay.
Bravo.
Ito talaga yung weapon ko. Ang nakakaloka, nagpapilik mata pa ako. So yung pilik mata, tumatama dito sa salamin. Kaya kanina ko pa ito sinuot dahil nagaganon-ganon yung pilik mata dito sa salamin. Babalik na tayo sa tunay na anyo. Okay? Sobrang lakas. Wala naman ako nakita, hindi ko alam kung ano. Pero pumapalakpak at saka malakas yung mga tunugan. Nasaan na siya? Ang galing! Perfect! Nandun siya sa element na enjoy siya. Hilag niya, ang dami niyang bala, ang saya-saya niya. Samantalang tayo, pawis na totoo. Samantalang tayo, pawis na pawis siya, wala siyang nararamdaman na init, walang nararamdaman na gutom, bigat, pagod, wala, sakit sa katawan, wala alikabok, wala, lahat okay. Samantalang tayo yung lahat ng kaguhit-guhitan, lahat ng kaguhit-guhitan, may nararamdaman. Oo, nag-enjoy niya ako. Pakita mo yung ginawa ko sa'yo. Yan yung ginawa ko. Yan yung ginawa ko. Nakatama siya. Ito, 3 beses ko yan natamaan yan, 2. Ba't hindi ba bumaba? Ang bigat kasi nung baril eh.
Isa po ito sa mga pangarap ko. Makagawa ng ganitong shooting competition. Kapag ang baril, sinamahan mo, pagiging responsable, napakagandang kapartner nito. Disiplina, support.
Maraming salamat. Thank you so much. Siya po ay tinulungan niya po tayo. I remember, I met you before. Tama sa podium tayo nung na-meet kita doon, di ba? And after, alam ko na you helped Anne with her movie. Sa ano, congratulations. Thank you so much. Thank you so much.
Till next time.
Thank you. And of course, we have Sir Anthony.
Hello! Hi guys!
Thank you so much for joining. How was it?
Actually, yung sa sobrang excited mo, hindi mo matamaan yung...
Di ba at saka may
May
pressure?
konting pressure to it's actually excitement, especially when you pull the trigger already, pumutok.
Yeah.
Kasi may tinamaan ka.
Yeah, so masaya. I hope that you enjoy.
And of course, you learn about gun safety.
Yun ang
pinaka-importante, yung pinakamahalaga doon, gun safety.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
Ann. Thank you.
Thank you. Natapos ka na?
Oo, tapos na ako natapos.
Ba't hindi ka magpalit ng t-shirt? Ano to? What is it red? Where? Babe naman. Seriously, ano ba? What is that?
Sa baril dyan, kasi mamamadali.
Ito po ah.
Sir, Ram! Oo, Ram! Report agad kay Maria. Report agad kay Maria.
Okay. Babe, at nabibigyan na siya pero nandito siya. Nabibigyan na siya sa Wednesday. Hindi ko pwede kasi mag-ano na siya eh. Maghihiringin na siya sa Wednesday. So tinutodo na niya ngayon. Parang talaga pagdating niya sa Wednesday, binging-bingi na talaga siya. Kanina pa yan. Okay lang ako dito. And there you have it. That is the first Robin Hood Padilla Cup. Thank you so much sa lahat ng mga sumali, sa lahat ng tumulong na mag-organize ng event na to. I feel that it's very important kasi at least yung awareness sa gun safety, importante talaga. At nakakatuwa dahil marami pala sa mga kabataan, kahit mga female, talagang they're into this sport. At maganda siya talaga because like I said, yung awareness sa safety, proper gun handling, very, very important. And of course, to protect ourselves, diba? Iba na ang panahon ngayon. So, iba pa rin yung meron kang background. Sana sa mga susunod na taon, I'm sure magkakaroon tayo ng isa pa. Sana mas marami pa yung mga sumali para ma-experience din nila yung ganito. So, nakakakaba siya. Ako, mabigat. Pero, for Robin, it was a different high for him. Parang nakita ko he was in his element. Nag-enjoy siya talaga dun sa ginagawa niya. And nakakatuwa to see that so many people in the movie industry ay talagang pinag-aaralan kung paano gamitin. Hindi yung parang nandun lang, nasa eksena lang, ginawa mo lang. Iba pa rin yung marunong ka talaga. Part yon. I think na that's what sets you aside. But anyone can do it, but not everyone can do it well. So, syempre, we want to do it well. So, nakakatuwa yung mga artista na nagpunta doon. So, feeling ko dapat yung mga action stars of this generation, dapat mas itry din nila. Sumali din sila sa mga susunod. So, again, thank you so much sa lahat ng nagbuo ng Robin Hood, the very first Mista Shoot Fest, the Robin Hood Padilla Cup. Maraming salamat sa The Gun Store. Thank you so much sa Camp Aguinaldo, sa lahat ng mga sponsors natin. Maraming salamat. And to everyone who watched, thank you so much for watching and I'll see you again next time. Bye!